last evening on my way to Armstrong for an art exhibition that I'm involved in. The sky was so inspiring, so I'm just going to do a little bit of a demonstration about what I saw last night, and I hope you enjoy this. I'm also going to show you how to do some fabulous trees. Adding some of this beautiful bright orange, and this is the burnt crimson with some of the yellow medium. I need a bit more yellow. Adding a little bit more yellow. I'm just going to bring some of that up here too. So now with this particular one, I'm really going by memory of what I saw. And let's see if I can do it justice. Now the top of the clouds were like a really deep violet. Swish that in there. Need some more paint on my brush. I'm going to add some white and some yellow to that really dark area to give me a really nice gray. There we go. Oh yeah, that's looking good. Pull that color down. Some of the layers of the clouds. I'm going to bring in distant mountains down here. They're way off in the distance. Now I'm going to bring in the trees at the bottom. I need more paint. The idea is to have enough paint on your canvas so that you can swish your brush up and down to shape those trees. And you want a variety of color. Thanks for watching.